China-based automobile manufacturer BAIC Group has been making a name for itself in the automotive industry in recent years with its innovative vehicles. One of BAIC's ambitious models in the SUV segment, the Baic X55, presents significant advancements in both design and technology with its 2024 version. In this article, we will conduct a detailed review of the Baic X55 2024 model, focusing on its design, performance, technological features, safety equipment, and its overall position in the SUV market. Exterior design. The Baic X55 2024 boasts a contemporary and attractive exterior design. The front features a large grille adorned with chrome details, merging with sharp LED headlights to provide a powerful and sophisticated look. The side profile showcases flowing lines and aerodynamic details, while wide wheel arches and a high shoulder line reinforce the car's solid stance. At the rear, slim LED taillights and a sporty diffuser add a modern and dynamic flair to the vehicle. Interior design. The interior of the Baic X55 is spacious and comfortable. The seats, upholstered with high-quality materials, and the elegant details create a luxurious atmosphere. The large touchscreen on the front panel makes controlling the infotainment system easy, while the digital instrument cluster provides driving information clearly. Additionally, the panoramic sunroof allows more light into the cabin, enhancing the sense of spaciousness. Ergonomics ambientales, automatic seats, and ample interior space ensure a comfortable driving experience, even on long journeys. Engine and performance. The Baic X55 2024 stands out with its powerful and efficient engine options. The base model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that produces 150 horsepower, offering a dynamic drive. For those seeking higher performance, there is a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine option. This engine delivers 200 horsepower, providing a more sporty driving experience. Both engine options are paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and comfortable drive. Driving dynamics. The Baic X55 offers excellent balance on the road with its advanced suspension system and intelligent driving dynamics. The car's low center of gravity provides superior handling and stability in corners. The immediate torque of the turbocharged engine offers quick and powerful acceleration. Additionally, various driving modes allow drivers to adjust the vehicle's performance to match their driving style and needs. The Eco mode maximizes energy efficiency, providing fuel savings, while the Sport mode delivers a dynamic driving experience. Active safety systems. The Baic X55 2024 is equipped with advanced active safety systems. The automatic emergency braking system helps prevent collisions by detecting obstacles ahead. The lane keeping assist helps keep the vehicle in its lane, while the adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from the car in front. Additionally, features like blind spot warning and rear cross-traffic alert enhance driving safety. Passive safety systems. Passive safety systems include a robust body structure and multiple airbags. These features are designed to maximize the safety of the driver and passengers in the event of a collision. Moreover, post-collision emergency systems automatically call for help in the event of an accident, ensuring rapid intervention. All these features highlight how seriously the Baic X55 takes safety, spacious, and comfortable interior. The interior of the Baic X55 is designed to be spacious and airy. High-quality leather seats offer superior comfort for both the driver and passengers. The rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom, ensuring comfort even on long journeys. The interior combines comfort and elegance for both the driver and passengers. Advanced technological equipment. The interior of the vehicle is equipped with advanced technological features. The 12.3-inch touchscreen makes it easy to control the infotainment system. This system includes features like navigation, music, phone integration, and vehicle settings. Additionally, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support allows smartphones to be integrated into the car system, sound system, and entertainment. The Baic X55 comes with a high-end sound system. Premium speakers and surround sound technology make journeys more enjoyable. Furthermore, entertainment systems for the rear seats ensure that passengers can pass the time without getting bored on long trips. Eco-friendly technology. Baic is committed to environmentally friendly production and sustainability. The X55 model offers eco-friendly driving with both gasoline and hybrid options. The hybrid engine option helps protect the environment by reducing fossil fuel use and carbon emissions. This not only protects the environment, but also reduces operating costs. Production processes and recycling. Baic adopts eco-friendly practices in its production processes. The use of recyclable materials, energy efficiency, and waste management are given significant importance. These approaches ensure that the X55 is valued not just as a vehicle, but also as a sustainable solution. Engine and performance. At the heart of the X55 are high-efficiency turbocharged engine options. The base model features a 1.5-liter engine that produces 150 horsepower, providing ideal performance for daily use. For those seeking more power, there is a 2.0-liter engine option that delivers 200 horsepower, providing a more dynamic drive. Both engines are paired with an automatic transmission, offering drivers a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Driving modes. The X55 offers different driving modes, allowing drivers to adapt to various road and weather conditions. The Eco mode maximizes energy efficiency, providing fuel savings. The Sport mode, on the other hand, maximizes the vehicle's performance, offering a dynamic driving experience. Additionally, the normal driving mode provides an ideal balance for daily use. Charging and range. Hybrid model. The hybrid engine option enhances the eco-friendly features of the X55. The electric motor works in conjunction with rechargeable batteries to minimize fossil fuel consumption. This protects the environment and offers a suitable solution for long journeys. The hybrid models' battery can be easily charged at home or public charging stations. Conclusion and evaluation. The Baic X55 2024 sets new standards in the SUV market in terms of performance, design, and technology. It stands out with its powerful and efficient engine options, spacious and comfortable interior, and advanced technological equipment. With its safety systems, sustainability, and eco-friendly features, the X55 is an ideal choice for both technology enthusiasts and environmentally conscious drivers. This model once again showcases Baic's innovative approach in the automotive industry and its commitment to sustainability.